take that gray thing off.
I know. But I didn't go down the water very far.
You want me to get it off now?
No. Can't get off now. You gotta get the cart out first.
All right.
Tell me when you're ready.
No. Out.
All right. Now you can get the thing off.
All right. Hold on. Take the gray thing too.
Oh, I'll do that then.
Gray thing could stay right here.
If you want to put it there. I did not
go.
tie your drive, so you gotta tie it in. Tell me when you're ready.
Go. You didn't tie my what?
Your drive isn't tied in.
Okay.
I got this. And the gray thing.
Thanks.
We were here yesterday.
Boat.
It got hot.
No, after he's talking about the traffic.
I'm talking about the boat crash.
Oh yeah, we don't get out in the middle.
Man, it
We'll
was,
say we'll hug the shores.
it was bad up in here. I thought, my gosh, man.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Huh. Everybody's out. Labor Day.
Yeah. Daggone, man. There's your 15 pontoons beside each other.
Everybody's out. Labor Day.
The waves were so bad, they couldn't even, like, get up on the plane.
Oh yeah. Their waves were here bad. We were fishing. I was fishing out here towards Turtle Island, and it was like, come on, I'm getting waves almost coming over the gunnels of the boat.
It's old boat, you know, it's 40 years old. I was out there thinking, man, I hope we won't break this thing in half.
I know.
You know what I mean?
I know. Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with the age. Taken care of, they're fine of being old. Oh yeah. You're known to be in good rough water. Ingrained. On the back side, if you want to, we can go all the way around to that shelf. Towards the a buoy. Okay, that's where those rocks are. See, yeah, about where the pontoon is anchored. We might have to go out in front of him and around the corner just slightly to get away from him. think it was last night, but they were right beside the boat. I was fishing over there, and they weren't there. So. About 10 inch. Barely having hook. Alright, now we know what we're going to tell you to do it, where they're at.
All kinds of drops down under there. Oh, that way.
Oh, I remember that on a rooster tail. And you saw him jump?
I haven't seen anything jump.
No, I haven't either. Because we're a little later than normal too, so. I know, just we got away late, and then I had to go back and just delayed everything. This is when it happens sometimes.
Any luck?
How do you like that outfit?
Ah, thanks. Like it, love it.
I got a Sea Eagle little pontoon that I played.
Ah, okay.
Looks like fun.
Yeah, we love it.
It's a good spot.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. We fished there yesterday. It was nice.
You did.
But
Take care of yourself.
I was trying to aim where I can hit both ways.
Yeah.
I'm in the right spot, I'm just not close enough.
Yeah, you'll have to, with what you're fishing with, you're not going to be able to cast that distance unless
Nah.
you have a heavy lure.
I'll scoot up.
Another bluegill or something. Another big bluegill here. nice bluegill. Yeah. 2 bluegill. Okay, let's do that. Deep water stuff. Nice largemouth. Got him. Woo! It's not huge, but it's nice. It's not huge, but it's nice. Woo! This is what we came for, right here. What do you think? 14? Probably. It's 12. Can you believe that? All that work was 12. But I'll take it any day. 12 inch. Alright, he's done. Alright. Technique here works. So let's work on that technique.
Like white? At least you didn't take it this time. Alright, let's put it back down there, bud. I'll take it down there to you. Alright. It's a little bluegill. It's got to be a little bluegill down there. my tail. You little stinker. Alright, we'll put this back on. Kind of big. I think I need to adjust this hook. I noticed it's kind of bent. I think it may be the problem. My arm is. I got snagged twice. I had to stop using an Ed rig. Yeah, it got snagged bad. I broke it. I've just got a light fish head with minnow now. And some little bluegill down there is taking my bait 3 times. No wonder. You little booger have been taking my bait. Who are you? You're the smallest little, silly little thing I've ever seen. You're the tiniest little bluegill. If that's not a tiny bluegill, I think that might be a 3-inch. For me, I would use him for bait. But I'm not going to do that. Well, at least I finally got whatever it was. Now let's try about getting this one over here. I don't know if they're the same one.
Randy, y'all taking a break so soon? Ah, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just too hard to. It's low on this side. Oh, that's why.
You got 35 gallons of gas sitting on this left corner.
That had something to do with it.
Hey,
Hi.
how you?
Fine.
Dana coming?
Huh?
Dana?
Sometime. I don't think I'm gonna see her till supper time.
We going back tomorrow. The film tomorrow.
Yeah, at 2. Yeah. All right. There you go. Here you go, Gordon. All right, we got him. Whew.
I'm going for a swim if I can.
Woohoo.
Hi, little girl.
Here's a little 10-inch one. I had a 12.5 earlier.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. He's like, why are you holding me like that?
Yeah. And grab his lip inside.
Where?
And his tongue, just grab it like that. Stick the thumb in the mouth, the thumb in the mouth. Hold his bottom lip all the way in the mouth.
Ah! Nah, I'm good.
Okay. Okay.
One thing I'm not really used to doing.
All right, buddy.
I'm out. Bye.
Don't come back.
He's like, I don't know who y'all y'all people are, but I'm gone. I like your tag. That's nice.
Thank you.
I know. I like his little pedals. That's what I need to put on mine. Little pedals.
A bike workout.
Right.
I haven't gone back.
Thanks, Mike.
Oh, no problem.
I'm scared to like go.
Hey, Gordon, do you have Ned rig on yours? Oh, bluegill. All right.
Drive 5, we saw you going around. Yeah. No, I heard you holler. I said, that's Gabe.
Y'all might be hot.
Yeah. We're going in. Yeah, we got out here. We were on the water at 7:45.
Yeah.
So we said,
I was in the bathhouse at 6 or 7 o'clock when y'all were gone.
oh, okay, yeah.
So,
Yep.
is your crew coming? Do you know?
They're not going to come. They're just worn out from that move yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're just exhausted.
Okay.
So they're not going to come today. They're still staying at our house. But, alrighty. What? They might surprise me. See y'all. Alright.
plastic thing. Get the plastic thing. Got it.